Hello everyone. In this video I am again discussing unitary method. So I am explaining some typical questions. It is given if 12 men or 18 women can complete a piece of work in 7 days, in how many days can 4 men and this is or, this is and. So be careful, 4 men and 8 women complete the same work. So first we will find the ratio of the work done by men and women. So work done by 12 men is equal to work done by 18 women. Work done by 18 women, you can only write 12 men is equal to 18 women also. So work done by 1 man by unitary method. By 1 man it will be less work. So it would be 18 divided by 12. So after simplifying it is 3/2 women. That means work done by 1 man is equal to 3/2 women. So this is the ratio. Work done by 1 man is equal to 3/2 of work done by a woman, one woman. So now we have to find the work done by 4 men and 8 women. Now I am converting these 4 men. First I will find how much work is done by 4 men in terms of the work done by work done by women. So 1 man is equal to 3/2 women. Now 4 men will be 3/2 multiply 4. I am applying direct variation. So it is 2, that is 6 women. So from here I have got 4 men is equal to 6 women. This is very important. I got 4 men is equal to 6 women. Now we are finding work done by 4 men and means plus and means plus 8 women. Work done by 4 men plus 8 women. Now I have 4 men is equal to 6 women. This 4 men is equal to 6 women. So I will substitute in place of 4 men. I will write 6 women plus this 8 women is already there. Now I have total 14 women. That means 4 men and 8 women is equal to work done by 14 women. Now I will apply the unitary again. From here, from the very first step, 18 women can, because it was given or, 18 women can complete a piece of work in 7 days. 18 women can do work in 7 days. Then one woman will take more time. One woman more time, that means multiply. Now I am finding work done by these 14 women. So 14 women, work done by 14 women is 7 multiply 8 upon 14. Now you can simplify here. It is 4 days. 4 days. Answer is 4 days. So these 4 days means work done. These 4 days means work done by 4 men and 8 women in 4 days. Work done by 4 men and 8 women in 4 days. Now one more typical question. A particular work can be completed by 6 men and 6 women in 24 days, whereas the same work can be done by 8 men and 12 women in 15 days. So student, in this question, be careful. In both the sentences it is given and 6 men and 6 women, and here 8 men and 12 women. So in the question it is given 6 men and means plus 6 women in 24 days and 8 men plus 12 women can do the same work in 15 days. So here we are given different number of days and different combination of men and women. So we will change both work done by this combination and this combination in one day. So how to find? Let me start. So in 24 days, work is done by 6 men plus 6 women. Work done by in 24 days 6 men and 6 women. So in one day we know that more persons are required, so that means inverse variation. So inverse variation means we have to multiply this number on the right side by the number comes from the left side. So 24 into 6m plus 6w. Now come to the second equation in 15 days. This is first part. Now in second combination in 15 days, work is done by 8 men plus 12 women, and in one day work is done by 15 into 8m plus 12w. So now we have one day here and one day here. That means the work done in one day is same. So whatever combination you are using, the work done in one day is same. So we will take this and this. This is equal to this because both are work done in one day. So according to question, we have 24 into 6m plus 6w is equal to 15 into 8m plus 12w. From here we will solve a linear equation. It would be 144m minus plus this 24 6 144w is equals to 120m plus 180w. Now transpose m on left side and w on right side, you will get a ratio. I have 144m minus 120m is equal to 180w minus 144w, and finally we have this is 24m is equal to 36w. 24m is equal to 36w, and after solving this I will get m is 1m. M is equal to 36 upon 24, that is 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. So finally I got 1m is equal to 3 upon 2 w. This is the work done by one man is equal to the work done by 3 upon 2 w. So according to the amount of work done, one man is equivalent to 3 upon 2 women. So this is the first part. We are required this ratio. Now after getting this ratio, I will convert this 6m plus 6 women into one unit. So I can change this in terms of women, or 8 men and 12 women in terms of women. So it is our choice. We can convert any equation. So I am converting the first one. First one is 6m plus 6w. 6m plus 6w. Now I am substituting the value of m, and that m is equals to 3 upon 2 w. So it becomes 6 multiply 3 upon 2 plus 6. This 6. Now both are women. And finally I got 2 3s are 9 plus 6, 15 women. So that means 6 men plus 6 women is equal to 15 women. According to the work done, 15 women. So in this way I can convert this also. We are finding the time taken by 4 men and 6 women. 4 men and 6 women. Now I will take this. 4 men plus 6 women. So again I will convert this into women because I have already converted the first equation into women. I will convert this also. So it becomes 4 multiply 3 upon 2 because one man is equal to 3 upon 2 plus 6. So after solving this, I will get 6 plus 6, 12 women. So 4 men plus 6 women is equal to 12 women. Now we will apply unitary, that this 15 women means this part. This means this part. So these 15 women can do work in 24 days. These 15 women can do work in 24 days. So 15 women can do that same work in 24 days. If I converted the second one, then I will write these women can do work in 15 days. But I have converted the first one, that is why I am using 24. Then when one woman will take more time, that is why multiply, because it is inverse variation. And next we have 12 women. 12 women can do work in 24 into 15 upon 12. 12 twos are, that is 30 days. And finally you will write the answer. Hence these 4 men and 6 women can do that work in 30 days. So hope you understood these type of questions based on work done by men and women. Thank you.